Alright guys, welcome to this week's video trading tip from Magnetic Trading. Actually this week we don't have a tip for you. We've had a really active last 6 weeks in the market and we've gone into a little bit of a consolidation range in the markets. Things are a little bit quiet. We did have a nice winning shield trade yesterday on our mentorship program which banked a nice return. But the markets overall are fairly range bound. FTSE I'll go over in a second. And give you the levels, but this is a good reminder about how you don't need to trade every day. It's not like an office job where you have to go in, stamp your time, you're in there, you've got to do something. With trading, less is more. So if you don't have a high probability setup, don't just force yourself to go to the computer screen and place a trade for the sake of it. So certainly at the moment this week, I already know it's going to be quite quiet, so it's a good time to freshen up on our system trades, go through some more high probability setups so we're engaged and ready for when the markets become active again. Now this week on FTSE, we're at a very crucial point. We're at 6,900 on the FTSE. If we start getting some real positive action to the upside, then up towards 7,100 is good to go on FTSE. From those sort of levels, I'm expecting quite a big correction. But after that, if things really recover, then we have a target at 7,700 on the FTSE. So it's still got a lot of catch up to do in terms of other markets like the DAX and the American markets, but FTSE certainly can do it. And we've been bullish all this year and it's certainly moving up nicely at the moment. So keep an eye on 6,900 this week. If we start seeing some negative development below there, we could drift back down to around 67.80. But if we start engaging price action above 6,900 again, then we can push back up to around 7,100. So this week, guys, freshen up on your revision, get stuck into the manuals that we give you, and wait for the next high probability setup to come and relax. Maybe take a few days off just to chill out. As I said, we have been very active for the last 6 weeks. So refresh, reboot, and get ready for those high probability trades which will be on the menu very shortly.